Hello, English learners, and welcome back to Listen and Learn. This is the channel where we learn English in a simple, clear, and practical way. If you are new here, this channel is specially made for people who want to improve their English step by step, without stress, without fear, and without confusion. Before we start today's lesson, please subscribe to Listen and Learn, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future English learning videos. Many people study English for a long time, but still feel nervous when they speak. They know many words and they understand grammar, but when it is time to talk, their mind becomes blank. This happens because they are making mistakes while learning English. Today, in this lesson, we will talk about the most common mistakes people make while learning English and how to fix those mistakes. This lesson is not short. It is a deep and honest guide for real English learners. So relax, stay focused, and let's begin. The first big mistake in learning English is thinking that English is only about grammar. Many learners believe that if their grammar becomes perfect, their English will also become perfect. Because of this idea, they spend most of their time memorizing grammar rules, reading grammar books, and solving grammar questions. But even after all this, they still cannot speak English confidently. The reason is simple. Language is not only grammar. Language is communication. Grammar is important, but it is only a tool, not the whole language. Think about how children learn their first language. They do not study grammar rules. They listen, they copy, they make mistakes, and slowly they become fluent. But many English learners wait for perfect grammar before speaking, and because of this, they stop themselves from speaking. If you say a sentence with wrong grammar, people can still understand you. But if you stay silent because you are afraid of grammar mistakes, communication becomes impossible. Remember this clearly. Bad English is better than no English. To fix this mistake, you should learn grammar slowly. Stop waiting for perfection and focus more on speaking and sharing your ideas. Grammar will improve naturally when you use English regularly. Another very common mistake in learning English is being afraid of making mistakes. This fear stops many learners from speaking English at all. They worry that people will laugh at them, judge them, or think they are stupid. Because of this fear, they choose silence instead of practice. But this way of thinking is very harmful for learning. Making mistakes is not a bad thing. In fact, mistakes are a very important part of learning. Every mistake shows you what you need to improve. If you never make mistakes, it means you are not really learning anything new. Think about a child learning to speak. A child makes many mistakes, but no one laughs at the child. Slowly, by making mistakes again and again, the child learns the correct way. Learning English works the same way. You cannot become fluent without making mistakes. When you speak English and make a mistake, your brain learns something new. But when you stay silent, your brain learns nothing. So, silence is more dangerous than mistakes. You should remember that even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal. To fix this mistake, you must change your mindset. Accept mistakes as part of the learning process. Speak even if your English is not perfect. Learn from your mistakes instead of feeling ashamed. The more mistakes you make, the faster your English will improve. Another serious mistake in learning English is not practicing speaking. Many learners spend a lot of time reading English books, watching English videos, and studying vocabulary and grammar. They understand English quite well, but when they try to speak, they cannot form sentences easily. This happens because speaking is a skill, and every skill needs regular practice. You cannot learn how to swim by only reading about swimming. You must get into the water. In the same way, you cannot learn how to speak English without actually speaking English. Many learners wait for the perfect time to start speaking. They think they will speak after their grammar becomes perfect, or after they learn more words. But that perfect time never comes. When you do not practice speaking, your mouth and brain do not get used to English. You may understand everything, but speaking feels difficult and uncomfortable. This is very common, and it is not a sign of failure. It is only a sign of lack of practice. To fix this mistake, you must start speaking English in any way you can. Speak to yourself about your daily activities. Describe what you are doing in English. Record your voice and listen to it. Talk to friends or language partners if possible. Do not worry about mistakes or pronunciation. The goal is to speak regularly. The more you speak, the more English will feel natural. Another common mistake in learning English is translating everything from your native language into English. Many learners first think in their own language and then try to translate their thoughts word by word into English. This makes speaking very slow and often creates incorrect sentences. English and other languages do not follow the same sentence structure, so direct translation usually does not work well. When you translate in your head, your brain becomes busy with two languages at the same time. This causes confusion and hesitation. That is why many learners pause a lot while speaking and lose confidence. They know what they want to say, but they cannot say it smoothly. English has its own way of thinking and expressing ideas. Native speakers do not translate in their heads. They use ready-made phrases and natural sentence patterns. To speak English fluently, you must slowly train your brain to think in English instead of translating. To fix this mistake, start learning common English phrases instead of single words. Practice thinking in simple English sentences. Use English in daily situations, even if your sentences are very basic. With time and regular practice, your brain will stop translating and start producing English naturally. Another important mistake in learning English is ignoring listening practice. Many learners focus too much on reading and writing, but they do not listen to English enough. Listening is one of the most important parts of language learning because it helps your brain understand how English really sounds in real life. If you do not listen to English regularly, it becomes difficult to understand native speakers. English may sound too fast, unclear, or confusing. This also affects your pronunciation because you cannot speak clearly if you do not know how words are actually pronounced. Listening helps you learn natural sentence structure, correct pronunciation, and real-life expressions. When you listen more, your speaking becomes smoother without much effort. Your brain starts to recognize patterns automatically. To fix this mistake, make listening a daily habit. Listen to English conversations, podcasts, videos, or movies every day. Do not worry if you don't understand everything. Understanding comes slowly. The most important thing is to listen regularly. Over time, your ears will become familiar with English, and your confidence will grow. Another mistake many English learners make is trying to learn very difficult or advanced words too early. They believe that using big and complex words will make them sound intelligent or fluent. Because of this, they spend time memorizing uncommon vocabulary that is rarely used in daily conversation. In real life, native speakers mostly use simple and common words. Clear communication does not need difficult language. When learners use advanced words without fully understanding them, they often use them incorrectly. This creates confusion and reduces confidence. Learning simple words first helps you speak more naturally and clearly. Simple English is not weak English. In fact, it is strong and effective. When you can express your ideas clearly with simple words, people understand you better. To fix this mistake, focus on learning common daily vocabulary. Pay attention to how native speakers use simple words in conversations. Practice using these words in your own sentences. As your English improves, advanced words will come naturally and make more sense. Another mistake in learning English is not reviewing old lessons. Many learners study new words, new grammar, and new expressions every day, but they do not revise what they learned before. Because of this, they forget most of the information after a short time. Learning without revision is not real learning. It is only short-term memory. The human brain needs repetition to remember things. When you see or use a word many times, it becomes strong in your memory. But if you learn something once and never use it again, your brain will slowly erase it. This is why many learners feel that they are always learning but never improving. To fix this mistake, you must review regularly. Go back to your old vocabulary lists and lessons. Repeat listening materials you have already watched. Try to use old words in new sentences. Revision may feel boring, but it is one of the most powerful tools for long-term improvement. Another very harmful mistake is comparing yourself with other English learners. When you see someone speaking English better than you may feel discouraged or lose confidence. You may think that you are slow or not talented enough. This kind of thinking is dangerous for your motivation. Every person learns English at a different speed. Everyone has a different background, experience, and learning style. Comparing yourself with others will only create stress and negative feelings. It will not help you improve. To fix this mistake, compare yourself only with your past self. Look at how much you have improved compared to before. Celebrate small progress and small victories. Focus on your own journey and keep moving forward at your own pace. The last common mistake in learning English is expecting quick results. Many learners think they will become fluent in a few weeks or a few months. When this does not happen, they feel disappointed and lose motivation. Some people even stop learning completely because they think English is too hard or not for them. The truth is that learning English takes time. It is a long process, not a shortcut. Just like building a strong body or learning a new skill, English needs patience and consistency. There is no magic formula. Progress may feel slow, but every small step matters. When learners expect fast results, they focus only on the end goal and forget the learning process. This creates pressure and stress. But when you enjoy learning and focus on daily improvement, English becomes easier and more natural. To fix this mistake, change your expectations. Do not rush. Set small goals and work on them every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes of daily practice is powerful if you are consistent. Trust the process and give yourself time to grow. Now let me say something important to you as an English learner. If you are making these mistakes, do not feel bad. Almost everyone makes them. What matters is that you are trying. Every day you spend learning English is an investment in yourself. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a native accent. You do not need to be perfect. You only need confidence, patience, and consistency. English is a tool to express yourself, not a test to pass. If this lesson helped you, please like this video and share it with other English learners. Subscribe to Listen and Learn and turn on the notification bell so you can continue learning English with us step by step. Thank you for watching. Keep listening, keep learning, and never stop improving. See you in the next video.